What's up everyone? Now I'm just making this video to let you guys know that I'm going to be buying quite a lot of gold in the upcoming weeks. So just stay tuned and I'll try and show you guys what I got. But I'm pretty much stopping collecting silver for a while and I'm just going to focus on gold now. So I'll show you guys what I got, so just be on the lookout for the next couple of weeks or so. And I should get some pretty cool stuff in. Like, I'm looking at some 1 ounce coins, some pretty rare 1 ounce coins actually, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, so I'm starting to stack gold again. This is what I've got so far. If you follow my channel, you've probably seen it in previous videos, but in case you haven't, at the back they're just some gold plated banknotes. Then those three vinyls are filled with scrap gold, and then in the middle there is a 10-gram fine pure gold bar, and then underneath are gold plated playing cards. Now I've got the gold plated playing cards because I play a lot of poker online, if you guys didn't know already. But so yeah, so this video was just made to make sure you guys know that be on the lookout for some more of my videos, because they're going to be pretty cool. I'm going to be buying some pretty cool things. So yeah, that's it guys. Hope you're all well. See ya.